Imagine a world where AI work for you, churning out bucks while you sip on your favorite beverage. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if we told you it's not only possible, but happening right now? We are in the era of artificial intelligence, or AI, a realm of opportunities waiting to be tapped. Let's take a little journey. Picture this: an artist, struggling to sell his traditional artwork, decides to take a leap into the digital world. He employs an AI tool, and suddenly, his creations are all over the internet, earning him more than he ever made through conventional methods. This isn't a fairy tale, folks. It's a real story of AI success. Or consider the case of a small business owner, overwhelmed with managing her online store. She turns to an AI solution and voila, her sales grow exponentially. The AI not only handles tedious tasks, but also optimizes her business strategy. Another triumph for AI. In essence, AI is no longer the future. It's the present, shaping our world in ways we never thought possible. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to be a part of this revolution. With the right tools and a pinch of creativity, anyone can leverage AI to transform their business or even start a new one. Let's dive into some untapped AI businesses you can start right now. Ever dreamt of running a successful YouTube channel without showing your face? Well, your dream just came true. Let's dive into how you can kickstart a faceless YouTube automation channel using InVideo AI Video Creator. This fantastic tool uses artificial intelligence to craft engaging and visually stunning videos. All you need to do is provide the script and the AI does the rest. Imagine this: you're sitting comfortably at home, sipping your favorite beverage, and the AI is doing all the heavy lifting. It's like having your very own production team, but without the overhead costs. The scalability of this approach is mind-blowing. You can create multiple channels in different niches, each churning out quality content consistently. And let's talk about the potential for passive income. Once your videos are uploaded and optimized, they can generate revenue round the clock. While you sleep, while you're on vacation, your videos are out there working for you. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a tech wizard, can I really do this? Absolutely. InVideo AI Video Creator is user-friendly. It's designed for both beginners and seasoned content creators. Plus, it offers a variety of templates and customization options, so each video can be unique and tailored to your target audience. So with AI, you can be a YouTube star without ever stepping in front of a camera. Words sell. And with AI, they sell even better. Welcome to the future of blogging, where artificial intelligence is your wordsmith, your creative sidekick. Let's dive into how you can create a blog promoting affiliate links using AI tools like AnyWord or Content at Scale. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, sipping coffee, and your blog is populating itself with engaging content that is not only SEO optimized, but also tailored to promote specific affiliate links. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's the magic of AI-powered blogging. Let's break it down. Both AnyWord AI and Content at Scale AI are tools designed to generate high-quality, engaging content. They use machine learning algorithms to understand your audience, your niche, and the kind of language that resonates with your readers. This means you get to publish blog posts that are not only informative and engaging, but also highly effective in promoting your affiliate links. And the best part? You don't have to be a wordsmith or a marketing guru to make this work. You just need to guide the AI, set the tone, the style, the voice, and let it do the heavy lifting. It's like having a team of writers and marketers working around the clock for you, without the overheads. Now let's talk about the potential income and benefits of this business model. Affiliate marketing is a billion-dollar industry, and with an AI-powered blog, you're perfectly positioned to tap into this goldmine. Your blog does the selling, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Not to mention, an AI-powered blog is scalable. You can expand into different niches, promote a wide range of products, and reach a global audience. All this, without having to worry about content creation. Moreover, an AI-powered blog gives you the freedom to focus on other aspects of your business, like networking, strategizing, and yes, even taking some time off. So if you're ready to step into the future of blogging, it's time to let AI take the wheel. Remember, in this digital age, it's not about working harder, but working smarter. So, let AI do the writing while you reap the profits. Etsy isn't just for handmade crafts anymore. It's time to broaden your horizon and consider Etsy as a platform for selling digital products. And when you pair it with the power of Midjourney AI, the possibilities become endless. Imagine a shop where you don't have to worry about the logistics of shipping physical products. A shop where you can sell your digital designs, ebooks, music, and a lot more. That's the beauty of a digital product shop on Etsy. It comes with low startup costs, and you can reach a wide customer base from all over the world. Now let's bring in Midjourney AI to the picture. This AI tool can take your Etsy shop to a whole new level. It helps you create, manage, and scale your digital product listings with ease. The AI can automate and optimize your shop so you can focus more on creating unique digital products. Think about it, with AI handling the tedious tasks, you have more time to innovate and grow your business. You can come up with new product ideas, improve your marketing strategy, or even expand to other platforms. And the best part? It's not rocket science. Midjourney AI is user-friendly and designed for both beginners and experts. So, whether you're new to the Etsy game or an experienced seller looking to upgrade, Midjourney AI can be your best ally. With AI, your digital Etsy shop can be up and running in no time. Embrace the technology and let it guide you to business success. Art and technology, a match made in heaven. In recent years, we've seen how artificial intelligence has been making waves in the art world. The advent of AI art has opened up a whole new realm of possibilities, and now you can capitalize on this trend by selling Midjourney AI artwork on Fiverr. Imagine this, an artist that never sleeps, never gets tired, and creates unique and attractive art pieces, all at the click of a button. That's what Midjourney AI is all about. It's an AI-powered tool that generates stunning digital art, based on algorithms and machine learning. The result? A myriad of exquisite art pieces that are truly one of a kind. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not an artist. Don't worry, you don't need to be. With Midjourney AI, you don't need any artistic skills to create beautiful artwork. It's as simple as inputting your requirements and letting the AI do the rest. And the best part? You can monetize this by selling your AI-generated artwork on Fiverr. With millions of potential buyers on the platform, your art could be just what someone is looking for to add a unique touch to their home, website, or marketing campaign. In today's digital age, the line between art and technology is becoming increasingly blurred. So why not embrace this fusion and make it work to your advantage? So let AI be your personal Picasso and start making money on Fiverr. In the age of short attention spans, short-form content is king. We're talking about those bite-sized pieces of content that are easy to consume and share. Perfect for social media and other digital platforms. But creating these micro-masterpieces can be time-consuming, right? Well, not anymore. Enter Opus Clip AI, your virtual assistant in crafting compelling short-form content. It's not just about cutting videos into shorter segments, it's about understanding the story you're trying to tell and presenting it in a way that hooks your audience in seconds. And that's where AI comes in. Opus Clip AI uses machine learning to identify key moments, create summaries, and even generate captions, all in a snap. The demand for short-form content is skyrocketing, and with Opus Clip AI, you're well equipped to meet it. It's like having a whole creative agency right at your fingertips. With AI, you can create engaging short-form content that keeps audiences coming back for more. So, are you ready to kickstart your AI-powered business? The future is here and it's teeming with potential. The tools you need to ride the wave of AI innovation are right at your fingertips. All you need to do is reach out and grab them. We've laid out a roadmap for you. 5 untapped AI businesses you can kickstart right now. These are not mere speculations or wishful thinking. They are proven, practical, and profitable avenues to success. And the best part? Every single one of them is powered by artificial intelligence. Take the first step today. Check the video description for all the tools we've mentioned. They are your keys to unlock this treasure trove of opportunities. The potential for success is immense, but it's up to you to seize it. So go ahead, dive in, explore, experiment, and build your very own AI-powered empire. Remember, the future belongs to those who leverage AI, so check out the links, start your business, and welcome to the future.